I've been at Flex for 15 years and love working for a company that I believe in the products in. That was one of the exciting things when I came on at Flex. You know, back 15 years ago, Bob Eichelberg met me at a trade show, and it was actually a granite and marble industry show, because I used to work for a company that sold polishers in the granite and marble industry. And I met Bob, and he asked me if I was, you know, interested in coming over at Flex. And the funny thing is when I first started at Flex, I had used Flex products, you know, in the granite and marble industry myself, because Flex makes polishers for that industry as well. And so it was fun to come over for a company that I believed in the product. I've used the product before, and work for a great company like Flex. I've enjoyed it the last 15 years, and I think it's just been great. And the automotive industry is a fun and exciting industry. Everybody that is in the car industry loves what they're doing. I mean, we work on cool cars, and it's just fun. Yeah, so Flex is located in Steinheim, Germany, and it's the original factory floor. So 100 years ago when Flex was first started in Steinheim, Germany, which is basically the southwest side of Germany, you know, that's where the factory is, and that's where we still today produce on that factory floor a lot of our regular products. 1922, Flex started. Kind of a unique story about Flex. You know, our first product that we developed was actually a flexible shaft for a motor that sat on the ground. So you would have workstations in a factory setting where you had a motor underneath your workstation. You had that flexible shaft that came up to your workstation and a foot pedal to run the motor. So you turn the motor on and you do whatever you're doing, a little trinket or screwing in something or whatever. But 100 years later, we just are coming out with the FS140 shaft extension. So it's kind of cool. Kind of, you know, 100 years later, we're coming out with something that we've already invented 100 years ago. So it's kind of cool. Yeah, so Flex makes a lot of different products. And, you know, I sell a lot of different industries, from the drywall industry to the granite and marble industry to the automotive market. But out of all of our tools, I would definitely say the Pixie, the PXE80, when we came out with this tool three years ago, you know, people laughed at me, and, you know, when I called it the game changer. But it was just one of those tools where literally when I saw it the first time in Germany, and I'm at this meeting and they showed me the prototype, I mean, my mouth dropped to the ground, and I was like, there is nothing like this on the market. And they're like, well, there's this product and that product. And I said, there's nothing like this PXE80 on the market. And whenever someone asks me, how does it compare to other products? I tell them that it really doesn't. It has its own category of small polishers because of how powerful it is. Yeah, so the future of Flex. I mean, Flex, you know, 100-year-old company. Obviously, we have a lot of history there. We have a lot of products that we've created over the years. I would tell you that the future of Flex is very big. We've got a lot of new things that are coming out. You know, a lot of you may have seen products at Lowe's with the Flex name on it. A new battery platform, our 24-volt battery platform that we launched at Lowe's and in the professional construction market. That product was something we developed, not technically for the automotive market, but really for the general construction and the pro market. And that being said, you know, as far as the future goes, I expect us to start rolling in different products into the automotive market in that 24-volt platform. Eventually, we may see, you know, polishers in that series of product and things like that. But for the most part, you know, the products that we currently sell in the automotive market, they're the best of the best. I believe in those products, and, you know, I never really try and compare it to something else, because I think it's important to have a variety of products in your arsenal. And I would tell you, if you don't have a Flex today, you definitely need to go out and try one of our products. Thanks for having me here at the Show Car Garage here at Autogeeks. If you want to see more about the Flex products, I'd love to see everybody at SEMA first week in November out in Las Vegas. We love going to Las Vegas, so what better going out to a car show and seeing some cool products. So if you haven't looked up information on SEMA, make sure you look that up, and we'll see everybody at the Flex booth out at SEMA.